WinWalk Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if your daily steps could quietly turn into real money while you go about your normal life? Most people get this wrong, but in 2025 there are apps that actually reward you for walking, and one of the most talked about is WinWalk. The surprising truth is that some users earn real gift cards without ever changing their routine, while others feel like they are wasting their time. So which one is it? Today, we are diving deep into WinWalk in 2025. You are going to learn how it works, what it really pays, how long it takes to earn rewards, the biggest mistakes users make, and whether this app is truly worth it or something you should leave behind. Stay with me, because near the end, I will reveal the one detail that determines whether WinWalk becomes a fun bonus or a complete waste of your time. Let us start with what WinWalk actually is. WinWalk is a free mobile app that rewards users with points for walking. Your phone tracks your steps throughout the day, and those steps convert into points that can be redeemed for gift cards. You are not required to do workouts, watch ads all day, or complete surveys. You simply walk as you normally would. This is what makes WinWalk so attractive. You do not need special shoes. You do not need a gym membership. You do not need a smartwatch, although you can use one. Your phone alone is enough. Now let us talk about how WinWalk tracks your steps. WinWalk connects to your phone's built-in motion sensors. It counts steps when your phone is on your body, such as in your pocket or hand. It does not require GPS tracking, which helps preserve battery life and privacy. The app syncs your steps automatically and converts them into coins. Now let us talk about the rewards. WinWalk allows you to redeem your points for gift cards to popular stores and online platforms. These typically include major retailers, digital stores, and sometimes food delivery platforms. The exact selection can change, but the core idea remains the same. Walk more, earn more, redeem for real rewards. Now let us talk about how much you can actually earn. This is where expectations matter. WinWalk is not going to replace your job. It is not a get-rich-quick app. It is more like a passive bonus. On average, users who walk between 5,000 and 10,000 steps per day may earn enough points to redeem a small gift card every few weeks to a couple of months, depending on your activity level and how often you open the app to collect daily bonuses. Most people get this wrong because they expect fast money. WinWalk is about slow, passive accumulation. Now let us talk about daily bonuses. WinWalk includes daily check-in bonuses, step streak rewards, and sometimes limited time challenges. These can boost your points significantly if you are consistent. The app is designed to reward steady habits rather than extreme workouts. Now let us talk about ads. WinWalk is free, and it makes money primarily through ads. You may see ads when collecting bonuses or redeeming rewards. This is the trade-off for not paying a subscription fee. Now let us talk about battery usage. Because WinWalk uses motion sensors instead of GPS, it has minimal impact on battery life. This makes it practical to run in the background all day. Now let us talk about user experience. The interface is simple. You can see your steps, your coins, your rewards, and your streaks easily. There is no clutter, and it is friendly even for non-technical users. Now let us talk about the biggest mistake people make. They forget to open the app and claim daily bonuses. WinWalk often requires you to tap the app to register bonuses and streak rewards. If you forget, you lose out on a large portion of your earnings. This is why two users with the same step count can earn very different amounts. Now let us talk about real-world examples. Imagine a student walking to class, to the cafeteria, and around campus, without changing their routine. They may earn enough to cover coffee or snacks every month. Imagine an office worker who walks during lunch breaks and commutes by foot. Over a few months, they can redeem gift cards for online shopping or digital subscriptions. Now let us talk about privacy. WinWalk does not require your location. It tracks steps, not where you walk. This is a big advantage over GPS-based fitness apps. Now let us talk about reliability. WinWalk has been around for years and continues to update its platform in 2025. Rewards are typically delivered digitally within a short time after redemption. Now let us talk about who WinWalk is best for. It is perfect for people who already walk daily and want to earn something extra without changing habits. It is also great for people who enjoy step challenges and streak tracking. Now let us talk about who should avoid it. If you are looking for fast cash or guaranteed monthly income, WinWalk will disappoint you. It is slow and steady. Now let us talk about the one detail that determines everything: consistency. If you open the app daily, maintain streaks, and walk regularly, WinWalk becomes a fun passive reward system. If you forget to open the app, ignore streaks, and only walk occasionally, it becomes frustrating and slow. Now let us answer the big question. Is WinWalk worth it in 2025? If you walk daily and want a free, passive way to earn gift cards, yes, it is worth it. If you want fast money, no, it is better to leave it. Here is the surprising truth. You are already walking. You might as well get rewarded for it. So let me ask you something. Would you rather walk for free, or walk and earn rewards at the same time? If this review helped you decide, tap the like button so more people can discover smarter ways to earn passive rewards. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and money tips. And comment below, how many steps do you walk per day? Your steps might already be worth more than you think.